What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Steve here. Just want to say happy 4th of July. So, on this episode of my reaction show, I'm going to be watching Firecracker Battlefield Prank. So, Gina said that she's going to do something with Jesse while he's playing a video game with his headphones. So, and he can never hear me, and he ignores me and as if I'm not even there. So Gina has the idea to prank on Jessie for revenge. So let's see how her prank goes. Let's see how Jessie's reaction. Hi, what's up, Gina?
Jesse's upstairs playing his video games.
Because he's
Every time he plays his video games,
he's playing some video games.
So loud that he
And
can't
it's gonna be very loud because of all the firecrack.
But I got these firecrackers.
Okay, these firecrackers, it's gonna be very, very, very loud.
Jess, I have some cookies.
But, see?
He never hears me. You know he will come down for
You
something.
never hear.
They're all ready to go.
Okay, it's ready, and I see Jesse playing his favorite video game. Okay. So what is he playing? Alright. Just gonna get to the room. And getting ready for the war. Okay. Ready, Gina? Got the Nerf gun. And she got the... She's wearing a military outfit. And she got a firecracker in the pan. And it's gonna be very, very, very loud. Okay, here goes nothing. Let's see how it's all set. Oh, here we go. It'll be very, very, very loud. Jesus, God, he goes, oh, what the hell? God damn. Oh, ouch. Oh, what are you doing? Oh my God, she's using a Nerf gun. He's like, Gina, you scared the crap out of me.
You are crazy. I can't believe.
Jesse's like, I can't believe you do something like this. Oh, there's a smoke detective. It just made the detective so loud. Oh, here's a slow motion. Okay.
Right, you prank me.
Wow.
Well, you better clean it up.
You can watch the vlog aftermath, and she's cleaning up.
So you just stepped it up a notch. It's about to go down. Hope you like bugs.
Wow. I can't believe she did something like this, like using a firecracker, and it's really loud. Oh my God. And using a Nerf gun? Oh my God. Jesse's like, oh my God, Gina, don't scare me with this. Oh my God, you're just gonna get me a heart attack. Oh my God. Oh. So that's how the firecrack prank goes. So it's really crazy that. So I hope you guys have a good time with the fireworks. So make sure to be careful while you're putting this in before you're opening the fireworks in your backyard or at the park, whatever you do. Okay, guys, and thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to make more me doing other prank videos. And I will see you guys next time. Happy 4th of July! Happy birthday, United States! Bye!